There he is, Michael Owen, just 18 years of age. The boy from Chester, can he deliver on the big stage? Michael Owen, he's picked it up just past the halfway line, and he is flying! He's beaten the first defender, another one left behind! On to a beautiful exchange. He's through the gap, the defence is split wide open. It's Owen! Owen, he can smell the goal now! He's running at them, one defender, two defenders, he's weaving through them, it's as if they're standing still. The goal is right there within reach, can he finish? The tackle is coming in, oh no, he's down!
Wild heart. Wild heart.
Both players enter the arena and the game is about to begin.
He's the fist this night. We catch it. Off the score.